pie. Hey, Lisa. Good to see you back.
Nice to see you.
You know, it's one of those desserts that oftentimes we think pie is a summertime thing. We think peaches, we think all those beautiful fruits in season. Pie is a comfort food, and so we are just now getting into the thick of pie season, and we do it with Temp-tations. Now, this offer in particular, we get a choice of, right?
You get a choice of, but of course you want it all.
I do.
Because that's how we roll.
I sure do.
And look, we called it a pie dish because we had to call it something, but this is also a 2-quart covered baker because so is macaroni and cheese comfort food.
Thank you.
And it would look great in here. We're retiring this set. It's been insanely popular. It is our basket weave figural fruit collection. So it's going to start with that great 9-inch deep dish lidded pie plate. Look at the texture and the dimension, Mary. I want to tell you something. You get this home, you put this out on your counter, and you would swear this was 3 digits more than you paid for it.
This is something, especially in figural kitchen stoneware, that you see absolutely for 3 figures in the fancy pants kitchen stores.
Yes.
This 9-inch pie plate, I think we only have the strawberry left, right?
It's been so popular. This is all we've left.
500 remaining, and that's it. It's a clearance price of $22.96, and it's on 5 easy payments of $4.59. You can get it home for $4.59.
If you have never tried Temp-tations, or if you love vintage and nostalgic feel, try this pie plate. I have it in lemon in my house, in the big one and the minis. Let's talk about the detail. These strawberries you can literally feel. You can see the raising, the embossing, and even in this one strawberry, let's talk about all the hand painting and the different colors. Then we come down to the gorgeous leaves where you can see the veins of the leaves, different colors of greens. Then we come over to the flowers on the strawberries. And then of course, the finial. The lid to this is an actual strawberry. You feel like you could eat it.
So cute.
And you lift it off to an incredible saturation of color. Again, all the beading that you know and love. And then if it's okay, I'd love to show you the side, because if you picked up the basket weave dinnerware, that's on clearance right now as well. It's half price.
Stop.
Half price, Mary.
Stop.
I think it's under $60.
Oh, come on.
This is the amount of workmanship. Notice the scalloping right here. This is layer upon layer of that gorgeous stoneware basket weave. Then we do something called tea staining, Mary, that gives it the highs and the lows. I can't say enough about the workmanship on this piece.
This is a must-have. Then we have a choice of the set of 4 minis.
And you get all 4.
Come on.
I mean, these are amazing. And they're not, I mean, they're mini, but they're 6 inches. This is 9-inch deep dish. This is 6-inch.
The total cost for the set of 4 is $32.96. That's the price you pay to get them home. That means they're $8 and change a piece. That's like a garage sale find price.
100%.
And it's on 5 easy payments of $6.59. So you can get the set of 4 home for $6.59. So let's call that $7 for ease. And then you get the pie plate home for $4.50. Let's call that $5.
It's amazing.
$12 you can spend and get the set of 4 minis and the pie plate.
You get it all? Okay, so it's just amazing. And what we love about the minis, and we know that you love minis, these are 4 individual chocolate lava cakes, salads, mac and cheeses, right? Side dish, quiches, yogurt and granola and fruit. It does. You get it home and you get inspired again. So here's the strawberry. Here's what we left in the minis. The strawberry. Here's the lemon. And when we talk about colors, those of you who have been asking for Hello Yellow, here it is. But remember, Temp-tations is a family of colors, so mix and match. This is what I have right now in my kitchen.
300 remaining in the lemon.
That's
it? If you like a Tuscan kitchen, I mean, get that immediately.
Absolutely. All right, let's talk about the apples right here, because this could be 4 teachers' gifts. You know how you want to give apples to a teacher?
Yes.
How amazing. 4 mini apple pies, 4 apple Waldorf salad. Just right?
Yes.
I know.
You said there are 200 remaining in the apple in the set of 4 minis? Oh, that's it.
And then I know you must love the peach because
peaches.
Right. And you collect the old world spice, the floral lace spice, the greens. This is absolutely gorgeous. Look at the detail on these miniatures.
4 dozen remaining in that peach. That's it. I know, and I say this all the time, but the Water Tower in Gaffney, South Carolina is that beautiful peach. If you live in Gaffney, You need the peaches.
You need the peaches.
You need the peaches. Marie Louise brought in peach baked goods today. It's kind of a low-key peach themed day here on In the Kitchen with Mary. But 31 Days of Temptations is the celebration that you will hear me singing about all month long here at QVC, because we're celebrating a brand that has been with us for 17 years. But what Temp-tations is encouraging us to celebrate is ourselves and our family being able to spend some time together. And so what Temp-tations does, I feel like Temp-tations gives you that jumping off point. If you had a bad day or a good day, somebody's going to point and say, where did you get this? That's beautiful.
That's exactly.
And then you go from there.
Right. So what I love about these pieces is they're gorgeous empty. Yeah. And then you fill them and they come to life, whether it's store-bought. But this has all the functionality that you know in Temp-tations. So oven safe to 500 degrees, microwave, refrigerator, freezer safe, hot and bubbly. And here's what I love about a covered stoneware piece. I'm not going to pick that up because it's going to be super hot. I've done that before.
I have to.
Here's what I love about it. It's going to keep this nice and hot until I'm ready for everybody to come to the table. But in the summertime, it keeps it bug-free.
Oh.
Right?
Good point, because you have a lid.
Yes, exactly.
So smart. You know what I think this might need? Look at this pie in this cute little mini that I have in my hands. I think this needs a little whipped cream on it. That's what I think. But think about it. Whether you're making little individual pies or you're thinking about picking them up as gifts, it's super, super, look at how good that looks on camera.
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
I mean,
gorgeous.
that's a wow. And by the way, that can serve 4 people.
Easily.
I mean, I could eat the whole thing. Let's not get anything wrong.
Go ahead and hit the lights, because we'll call that a day.
How about a strawberry cheesecake? I
yes,
love
please.
this, that we actually can lid right there. So then if there's any leftovers, okay, are you ready? But I love this, that I can literally get right in here with that amazing, you know, the first piece is always the hardest, right? With that graham cracker crust and get in here. Excuse my fingers, everybody.
You know we don't mind.
But look at that.
Yum.
Look how amazing that looks.
Jimmy Stovall is giving me all kinds of eyes.
Oh, does he want to taste it?
I'm sure. I'll bet that he is going to be face down in there in a hot second. You know what I see here, though? This is Temp-tations at a clearance price, so I don't want to miss out on being able to show you. We have the 9-inch pie plate.
That's right.
400 remaining in that pie plate. We only have the strawberry left. Clearance price of $22.96, and this is the only covered dish.
That's right.
In Temp-tations right now. Now, this is a set of 4 minis in the strawberry, the lemon, the apple, and the peaches, and they're a clearance price of $32.96. The peaches?
Yes.
3 dozen.
That's it.
And 5 easy payments available on both. My friend, I adore you. Continue
so
to place
nice
your orders.
To see you.
So good to see you, too.
Yeah.
We love our Temp-tations.